Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera focus problem and camera issues on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone, and then after this open the lock screen on your iPhone. And then after this the next solution is reset phone settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on reset, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode, and then this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So after resetting your settings, after this the next solution is clean the camera lens from your iPhone. So guys, simply clean your camera lens with a cloth. And then after this the next solution is force close the camera app like this 2 or 3 times. And then after this, and the last solution is update your iOS version to the latest iOS. So for this, go to settings, just scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys so guys I have the latest version on my iPhone. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Like I have the latest version on my iPhone, iOS 17. And so guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone camera issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.